If you are not in contact with your person or in a separation phase, then this reading is for you. It could be about a romantic relationship or a twin flame connection. We will see which one it is after the cards come out. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are a subscriber, then welcome again and thank you for joining me. Soul tie, reveal, shadow side, regret, and at the bottom we have unworthy. So this seems to be your person's cards. It does seem to be a soul connection that you have with your person. There are some things not said in the relationship, some things that they have held back from you, which they want to tell you, they want to reveal the truth to you. You could have said something to them which have made them realize the flaws that they have regarding you, regarding the relationship. And they regret whatever action they had taken or whatever it was that they said to you. They regret that. And they seem to be insecure about themselves. They feel unworthy of your love. They feel that you are a much better person than they are. You have made them realize the drawbacks that they had regarding the relationship and where they need to step up. And because this is a soul connection, they always feel connected to you. Even in this no contact or separation phase, they still feel very much connected to you. Let's check this deck for a few more cards. This could be a twin flame connection because one counterpart in that connection always awakens the flaws in their divine counterpart so that they can heal. Okay. Okay, so the cards have come out. Cloud of unknowing, create a new identity, wise counsel, crystal of clarity. So I will take these cards one by one. We will check both the messages. There are two messages each on each card. Okay, so these seem to be cards for you. These are the messages for you from the universe, from your spirit guides. It's saying surrender to whatever is happening, whatever events are unfolding before you. Surrender to those and embrace them, trusting that the universe has your best interests at heart. And in the reverse, it says, embrace the unknown. Venture into the mystery with an open heart. Because there are lessons hidden in this uncertainty. This period that you are going to, where you are not certain about what's going to happen, there are some lessons that are meant to be learned. Create a new identity. So when you embrace the change, you will rediscover yourself. You will rediscover your true essence, how you are aligned with the universe. Shape the sculpture of self and form a new identity where you can express yourself properly. Then we have wise counsel. Seek guidance from trusted friends or mentors to help you along. If you are confused in these times, then you can always seek advice from people who you trust. That's the most important thing. And you know that who will give you the right advice to move forward. And the other message is getting advice. When you seek guidance, do it with an open heart. Be ready to make the changes that they suggest. Be ready to learn and grow from the wisdom that they offer you. So if you seek advice from someone, go with an open mind. When you open your mind, you will get more insight into the situation and you will find a better understanding of the current scenario, which seems a bit confusing to you right now. That's what I'm getting. And the other message is seek clarity, embrace honesty, face the consequences, and sharpen your focus for personal growth. So these changes that the universe is asking you to make regarding your relationship with your person, go in there with an open heart, ready to embrace whatever advice is given to you from your trusted friends or mentors, and embrace it honestly. If they say that maybe something that you did was your fault, that you need to rectify, then don't get all defensive about it. Be ready, try to understand that it could be your fault. You have to see it from your person's perspective. It will help you grow much more on a personal level. So your person has realized that they have flaws that they need to work on to be a better person and a better partner in this relationship. And you are advised to kind of do the same. See a different perspective, gain some insights, and get help from your trusted friends or mentors. This seems very well like a twin flame connection because you both are kind of mirroring each other. Okay, let's check another deck. Cosmic Insights. When you are in a twin flame connection, okay, it takes you on a whole new journey of inner healing and becoming a better person. And generally, both of the divine counterparts get through that journey in different times, not together. Again, this card came out. Open up your heart. So you seem to be holding on very tightly to the things or the words that were exchanged with your person or the things that happened. So you are again being asked by the universe to keep an open heart, open up your heart. It could be that your heart chakra is blocked. This could be for a very, very specific few people. There could be a pregnancy here. Someone might be expecting. If you are that person, then this reading could very well be specifically for you. Health issues could arise. If you don't keep an open mind, if you keep overthinking about the things that happened, about the misunderstandings, it can affect your health. So you need to take care of that. When you learn to let go of things, your mind becomes very free, you don't have to be in control of everything. Trust the universe. And if you are not able to open up your heart, if you have difficulty doing that, then please do some affirmations for that. Air sign. So either you could be an air sign or the person you are dealing with is an air sign. So this is the bit of a heavy reading where both of you need to work on yourselves. Your person has already realized that they need to work on themselves, and the universe is asking you to work on yourself, to open up your heart. Let's see if we can get a time frame for when you might get in contact again. Okay. When either you will contact your person or your person will contact you. It says in 24 days. So there is a good possibility that within this time frame you will start working on yourself. When you start working on yourself, when you just open your heart, be ready to accept the changes that you need to make in order to be a better person in the relationship, then your frequency rises and then it will match your person's frequency. Once both of your frequencies are on the same level, there will be union. So that was the main message for you. Work on yourself and keep an open mind about whatever has happened. Yeah, that was the main message for you today. And do subscribe to my channel for the daily guidance videos that I post every morning, and press the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of that. Thank you all so much for joining. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.